Whoa.
It's gonna do yours?
Coolest thing about Silly Putty.
Oh no! Dad probably got all red.
I hope not.
Oh my gosh! You made a Minecraft version of our house. Look at that window.
It's our back window.
Oh my goodness. What's that?
Is it like donut day or anything?
It's donut day. What's in there?
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's a bunny. Or is it the Easter bunny?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think it's an Easter bunny cookie.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Since I have this Easter bunny cookie, after I'm done with it, I'll have this donut.
Oh my goodness. Oh, but you
Morning.
literally, you just woke up. You can't just start eating cookies the second you wake up.
Best day ever.
Oh my goodness.
So, these are Silly Putty. Something.
Silly Putty.
Silly Putty. And these are colorful eggs, and we're going to play with them. So
Any guesses on what's inside of them?
Probably slime.
You think slime?
Yeah. Let's get open and get figuring it out. I'm going to have. Oh.
Okay, the red one's the original. The other ones are bright.
What is it?
I don't know. Must be stretchy or something.
Yeah, stretch it out.
It's slime?
No.
Oh, it's Silly Putty.
I'll put it back together.
I don't know how to put it back together.
Like Play-Doh.
Like Play-Doh, bunch it all back up.
What?
What do you think?
Cool. You're gonna have
Let's
to.
see. Whoa,
You were so tall.
that's not red.
No, I told you that's the original Silly Putty. It only came in that color back in the day.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I swear I had a green one.
Well, yeah, but we also weren't. I don't know. Hey Google, when was Silly Putty invented?
1943. Here's a summary from the website en.wikipedia.org. Warwick insisted that he and his colleague, Rob Roy McGregor, received the patent for Silly Putty before Wright did, but Crayola's history of Silly Putty states that Wright first invented it in 1943.
Wow.
See,
Interesting.
we are the 80s and 90s kids
Yeah.
that didn't have the original Silly. Well, I know we had the original Silly Putty.
Yeah.
I definitely played with the original one.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You could do.
They kind of snap apart. It snaps.
Ah, there you go. You keep stretching it.
You gotta stretch it quick.
It won't come apart.
Hers is like
Stringy. 'cause
really
it's-
stringy. Here,
Yeah.
try that one.
Okay.
Let's
Don't
see
mix
if
them
I
together.
can- What are you doing wrong?
Alright, are we
Okay.
ready to see if this works? Who's gonna peel it up first?
Look at that.
Nice.
See it? Took the words right off the paper.
Whoa.
Just gonna do yours?
Coolest thing about Silly Putty.
Can I see? What?
Take yours off.
Oh my goodness. Looks like the crossword puzzle.
How cool is that? And it only works on newspaper.
Yep.
The kind of ink they use. Comes right off into the Silly Putty.
Ooh, I want to try this part.
This is the most. You picked the most morbid page of the newspaper.
I just opened it up to
It's
something
like
that
funerals, caring for pets after death.
Was... Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Oh no! See, it's still your crossword.
You gotta
gotta
mash
smush
it, up
it
and
and then-
smush it. I can't get it big enough. So.
Oh. Ooh, it's cold.
All right. Time to
So,
decorate some
color.
eggs.
I was trying to do fun design, but now it probably just looks like a broken egg.
No, it's like a hatched egg.
Mm-hmm.
So where did we get the eggs?
From Target.
On our Target trip yesterday.
Yeah. So you
Three.
can make some cool circles on the sides of the heart. These sides.
Going old school with our
Yeah.
coloring first. You don't need a fancy egg dyeing kit.
What are we gonna try this year?
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. You don't know what it is. That's the
Yeah.
funny part.
Gator, can you show me the cat? Let me see. Ooh, that's a good looking cat.
Yeah, let's put it back in the crate. Wait. Oh, you made polka dots on yours.
Did make a little polka dot egg.
Gotta go for this one.
You gotta be really careful though, because they can break. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Al drew a heart with little circles around it.
No, polka dot.
Polka dots around it. Nice job. Let's see. I
Oh,
made.
orange too.
Alright, this one. This guy made it. Made himself on an egg. Where's the hair?
It's just a
You
beard
bald?
in the face. Just a
Is
beard
this you in the
face.
future?
Yes.
Once you
Quiet.
lose your hair?
Quiet. Yes, that'll be egghead then.
Look, it's Harry riding his broomstick.
Nice. That's awesome.
Al, what did you do to the Google? Did you break it?
No, he's listening to our conversations. I say his name out loud, and he's like, "Oh, how can I help you?"
Alright, can you show me what's the deal here?
We are going to dye some eggs.
We're gonna try Kool-Aid and see if it works.
Do you even know what that is?
What's Kool-Aid? Can you tell me?
It's I don't know. I don't understand what it.
I don't think you've ever had Kool-Aid. We love these bowls. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Someone's outside.
Are you interrupting us? Are you interrupting us? Hello. Hi guys.
Okay.
Let's do blue next. Look at how red that is.
Wow, that's crazy.
Woo! Smells so good.
Yeah, it sounds
But
like cherry.
so bad.
Yeah, it's that smell from when we were kids. Holy cow. Dump it in the blue bowl.
Oh boy.
What? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that was tropical punch, not blue. Sorry.
Oh no!
Oh,
Dad
well.
probably got all red.
I hope not.
Oh my.
I went by package colors.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Betrayal.
Hopefully this one is more green than strawberry, because, oh no. That's
No!
not green either. It's strawberry kiwi.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna have red eggs. Everyone excited? Oh, it's more pink. Okay, so we might have pink.
Here are 2 red.
Okay,
Let's go
this is
see.
gonna be red lemonade.
Red one.
What do you think? Is it red?
No, it's yellow.
Okay, good.
Ooh. You're great
All right.
for that.
Let's see if the orange is red.
Or orange. Oh, it's orange!
Okay,
Oh my
good.
goodness.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
so this one is a fail already.
Which one do you want to make yellow?
Mommy's hat.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's one in there already.
That's
Oh,
so
the other
weird.
red one. Well, there's two in there. That's okay. Put one in the red one.
My hairy one.
Yeah, okay. There we go.
These have been in for what, like 30 seconds?
Oh, yeah, not that long. Look at that. It's already red.
And the best part is it actually smells good in here.
It smells, yeah.
It's not vinegar and...
Yeah. Eggs.
Would have been cool if we had other colors other than red.
We have red, and it works well. There we go.
Yeah, and we also have yellow, pink, orange.
Okay, well, let's try some of these other colors here. We got two. Oh, the yellow did nothing.
That's what I figured.
Yeah.
We can probably just stir them right in there. I bet the pink didn't do anything either.
Let's see. What do you think? Do you think the pink did something?
Yeah.
It's kind of pink, a
That's
little
barely.
bit.
Let's check my egg.
The orange one. Oh, look at that. Did turn orange.
Okay, so we have
Orange and red.
orange worked well, red worked well, yellow and pink not at all.
Yeah.
Okay. Finished eggs. Woo. They all look orange on this light.
They all kind of do look a little orange. Different shades of orange.
Pretty much.
But the pink ones look pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the pink polka dots.
I like that.
So, I don't know. I think it was kind of a fail because someone got all the shades of
They're all
red.
Red, apparently. That's the only flavor of Kool-Aid, or the only color of Kool-Aid.
50 shades of red. No.
Oh my goodness.
1,
You
2,
did this.
3, 4, 5.
Oh,
There's
it's
5
confusing.
shades of red. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 different
5,
colored
6.
packets.
No, we have 6 red colors. We got 6 red colors.
Very good. 6 eggs.
Oh my gosh. You made a Minecraft version of our house. Look at
Yeah,
that window.
Our back window.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, it's a bay window, so yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's our couch.
Oh my gosh.
And like a coffee table.
You made us a coffee table? Oh, I wish we had a coffee
Our Google TV.
Oh.
And my dog.
Was that trio?
Is that a trio?
Yep. Okay. It needs to have a boy collar. Okay, let's add the red collar because Joe actually has a red collar.
Yeah.
So let's add the red collar. There.
Oh goodness.
It's a version. It's a
Where's the rest of
wolf.
the house?
My bedroom. But I didn't make yours because I didn't have enough room for yours.
Oh, there's the 2 front
Oh
doors.
my goodness.
It's the one that we can't open.
Yeah. She
that
made
one-
it a steel door. You can't open it without a trap door.
Oh my. Aliceana Priscilla, you are
my
super
goodness.
smart.
So yeah. I thought you were mad at me when you said that. Yeah. Because you can open all the doors, so you can see it in here too.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's a spider coming at my house.
You can't
Jeez.
open it, remember? You
Jeez.
can't go out that door.
We died at this pool. We played with these.
Remember, she has no idea what Kool-Aid is.
You know, Kool-Aid's something people drink, right?
It's a drink. It's a powdered drink. You mix it with water and it's something you drink.
Oh.
Yeah. What is Cool Whip?
Something you don't drink?
You
No.
remember what Cool Whip is?
Cool Whip is what you put on your pumpkin pie.
You put it in pie perspective. She understands.
Yeah, you understand now. What are you doing
Pumpkin pie does sound good.
with Cool Whip? Don't give me that look.
So did we have a fun day? It was like,
Go by mom.
I don't even know what to call today because it was like a week before Easter, but we got like the Easter family time done. So then, what do we do on regular Easter?
We go to my grandma's house.
My grandma's house.
Yeah. And I have all my cousins go there.
Yeah, we're missing one this year. She's at college.
Yeah. But usually we have her in there and we do an egg hunt.
What happened last year?
I got this silly kitty. I got this kitty.
I cannot believe this cat's a year old.
No, she's a forever kitten.
Well, she's like 13.
Yeah.
She's like 15 months old.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you're a kitten.
You are a crazy fast kitten.
Ow!
She
She
can
hates me.
she can climb up her cat tower like this.
It's so fast.
Really fast.